Hello guys, this is Shraddha and I have came up with new video regarding hidden features in Vivo Y31. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so let's start the video. So for very first, just go in settings. In the settings, just search for screen. Just scroll down and you can see the smart screen option. Just click on that. Here you can see there are three options like rise to wake up, like double tap on light and also double tap to turn off. Just go back. So next trick is just go in settings, scroll down, go to shortcuts and accessibility, click on one handed. Here you can use the screen as mini screen. You can see the video over there that how you can on it. Just go back and I'll tell you the next trick. You can scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see the dark theme option. Just click on that. You can use your mobile in dark theme also. Just scroll down and hold the dark theme. You will go to settings. Here you can set to sunset to sunrise, or you can turn at the custom time, whichever you want. You can change the dark theme also over here. Yeah, so by this way you can use the dark theme option. Yeah, so I'll just turn it off. Now I'll tell you the next trick. Just go to settings, just scroll down, you can see dynamic effect. Just click on that. You will see facial recognition animation. Just click on that and you can select the facial recognition animation as per your requirement. Like you can see you have different type of animations over here. You can just click on apply and it will be applied. Just go back, you can see the charging animation. Just click on that and you can set the animation as per your choice, whichever you like. You can see 3 over there. You can just select that and you can apply it, and once you reboot your phone you can use it. Just go back, I'll tell you the next trick. Just go in settings, go to shortcuts and accessibility. Here you can see the smart split. Just click on enable the split. Just you need to put 3 fingers on your screen and just slide it up and your screen will be splitted. I'll show you. Just go back, just open any app. Just I'll open this daily hunt. I'll show you how it will look while splitting the screen. Just you can see that we can use daily hunt and also the screen. This way you can use the split screen option. Okay, so go back, I'll tell you the next trick. Just go in settings, just go in shortcuts and accessibility. Just click on flash notifications. Here you can see 2 options like incoming calls and messages. You can just turn the flash notification. Here you can see it is written when the screen is turned off, the rear camera flash will blink the light. Just go back, click on quick action. Once you click on quick action, you can just enable it and you can use it. When your screen is off, you can just press and hold the volume button to enable it. Also you can select the feature, like you can select flashlight, you can record audio, you can open the camera, open Facebook, open app, whatever you want you can select it for quick action. So by this way you can use quick action. Just go back, I'll tell you the next trick. Just go in settings, scroll down, go in system. Here you can see system navigation option. Just click on that system navigation. Here you can see you can change the navigation buttons, like wherever you want it on left or you want it on right. Also you can select the gesture navigation. I'll show you how to use it. Just you need to hold at the corner of your screen and you can use the back option. And to turn it off, just go in settings, go in system, then system navigation, and you can just change it to 3 buttons. Okay, so go back. Now we will see how to take the screenshot. Just hold your 3 fingers on the screen and pull the 3 fingers downwards. You can see on the screen how it is showing. And I'll tell you that how you can take the long screenshot for your screen. So just open something so that I can show you how to take the long screenshot. So I have taken the screenshot and click on long screenshot option. So it will load and you should just scroll up so that it will record how much you want in the long screenshot, and just click on the save button so the long screenshot will be saved. Yeah, so you can see that how we have taken the long screenshot. Also you can use it by shortcut. Just you can just see S capture over there. You can select the long screenshot option over there and you can take the long screenshot and save it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section. Okay, then take care. Bye bye.